everyone, this year marks the 70th anniversary of CHCH TV. Back then in 1954, on November the 30th, Alabama resident Elizabeth Hodges was the first person in recorded history to be hit by a falling meteorite. An 8.5-pound meteorite crashed through her roof, bounced off a radio in her living room, and hit her while lying on a couch on her hand and thigh. Maybe she was watching CHCH TV. Amazingly, she survived but had a nasty bruise. In the same year, NASA fired its first liquid oxygen hydrogen-powered rocket engine. By the way, on August the 27th, the crescent moon groups with Mars and Jupiter in the eastern morning sky about an hour before sunrise. My name is Carr with Hamilton Amateur Astronomers. Stay safe, everyone, and remember, make sure you take the time to explore your night sky. See you next time.